Ever feel like you have big dreams, but no energy to make them happen? You think, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to do great things, but it feels so hard to even start. You think about writing a book, getting fit, or learning something new, but instead, you scroll on your phone or watch TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy forever. It's because the tasks feel too big. When something feels too hard, your brain says, let's do something easier. The good news is this. Laziness isn't part of your identity. It's just a habit, and habits can be reshaped. Think about the times you felt stuck because your goal seemed overwhelming. You want to save money, but cutting back on everything feels impossible. You want to get healthier, but the thought of running every day sounds exhausting. It's not that you don't care. Your brain is simply designed to avoid discomfort and seek ease. The key is learning how to work with your brain, not against it. Big tasks feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller, manageable steps. If you want to get in shape, don't aim to run 5 miles on day one. Start with a short walk or a few minutes of stretching. Small steps make starting easier and help build momentum. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't reach the top in one leap. You get there one step at a time. The same applies to learning something new. If you want to speak a new language, don't try to memorize hundreds of words in one day. Start with a few common phrases and practice them daily. Small, consistent efforts lead to meaningful progress over time. Focus on progress, not perfection. Next, create easy routines. Don't rely only on willpower, build systems instead. Willpower fades, but routines turn actions into habits, making them easier over time. For example, if you want to exercise regularly, place your workout clothes where you can see them. This simple step reduces overthinking and helps you start. Routines act like training wheels. They support you until the habit becomes second nature. Ask yourself, what's one simple routine you can begin today? It could be writing a short to-do list each morning or drinking a glass of water when you wake up. These small actions create structure and lasting momentum. And remember, the only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. Now apply the 2-minute rule. Getting started is often the hardest part. So commit to just 2 minutes of effort. Want to read more? Start with 1 page. Need to tidy up? Focus on one small area. Once you take the first step, it becomes easier to continue. It's like pushing a ball down a hill. Once it starts rolling, momentum takes over. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for getting started. After your 2 minutes, do something small you enjoy, listen to your favorite song, or take a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and encourage consistency. And about distractions, don't run away from them. Schedule time to relax instead. When your brain knows there's time to rest later, it stops craving distraction constantly. You might set short breaks during the day, and then return to your next task more focused. Here's the reality. Everyone starts small. Even the people you admire struggled at the beginning, but they kept going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take the first step. Imagine your dreams as a tiny spark. Every small action you take adds fuel. Keep feeding it, and eventually it will burn brightly. So what step will you take today? Failure is part of the journey. Everyone stumbles. What matters is getting back up and trying again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Be patient with yourself. Keep moving forward. Less procrastination. More doing. If you're ambitious but feel lazy, here's what to do. Make tasks small and easy. Create routines that help you start. Begin with just 2 minutes of effort. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It may never come. Choose one thing. Take one small step today. Your dreams are waiting. Consistency, not perfection, is what turns small efforts into big change. Start today. Keep going. You're capable of more than you think.